The need to make advanced computer chips has exploded over the past few years, but the facilities to train a high-tech workforce that can manufacture those chips are limited. Now Princeton University and Mercer County Community College have teamed up to solve this problem. Students at Mercer County developed a digital simulator of the chip-making facility at the Princeton Materials Institute. This digital twin is a virtual reality version of the physical space and equipment at the packaging lab.
Think about you learn how to fly in simulators before you actually fly in an expensive airplane. That's the same thing. Factory is so expensive, training even. So if there's a digital model, digital twin of that, technician can practice in, and most importantly, they can fail without risk. It's affordable. You don't need to go into an expensive machine until you really need to.
With a VR headset and controllers, students can train on advanced device packaging equipment online without having to leave their location, saving travel time and expense. Here, Mercer County students Ruben Malara and Abu Bakr Ahmadi are practicing using a digital twin of the wafer lamination machine from the packaging lab.
And I was the lead developer in the digital twin project. The training modules have AI integrated into them. Our AI features will be able to explain everything that you need to know within that module. While we built those chips in our virtual simulation, we had Bert at Princeton building an actual chip. One of our colleagues, Peter, actually built a physical testing board.
I'm Peter, and currently I'm actually working with Bert at Princeton in his lab. I'm a chip packaging technician.
We then used the testing board built by Peter to test those chips built by Princeton to check for defects and so on. So we wanted to not only be a virtual simulation, we also wanted to simulate a part of the advanced device packaging in actual physical real world.
This digital twin system can be adapted to all kinds of skills-based workforce development training. The team is already collaborating with the biology department at Mercer County on a custom simulation for their anatomy and physiology class. And the team is planning to take their digital twin nationwide, hosting workshops for future operators of digital twin systems.
We had books that you could read, and then we had videos that you could watch. Now we have these digital twins that you can interact with. I think that's what makes this project very different.